his question is the battle with swords is forbidden now. This fighting with swords is forbidden now. If it is forbidden, is it permanently forbidden or
No.
temporarily?
Not permanently. Temporarily, as long as the enemy is not fighting you to suppress your religion. Battle with sword is haram. As Muslim has said, دوستو جہاد کا اب چھوڑ دو خیال. In which sense جہاد؟ دین کے لیے حرام ہے اب جنگ اور قتال. یہ حکم سن کے جو بھی لڑائی کو جائے گا وہ دشمنوں سے سخت ہزیمت اٹھائے گا. If it is true jihad, even with qital, then Allah promises that I'll make them victorious even if they are weak. But if you consider this to be the real jihad, then you should turn out to be victorious. But not now. After listening to this amr, which the Muslim attributes to himself or also to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whoever will go to qital will be totally defeated, be miserably defeated. And this is exactly what has happened. In every case, this is true, and this always happens, like in Palestine, etc. Those who go for qital, they are thoroughly beaten, and excess is done against them, much more than what they had done. Where's your wife?
She's here.
She's your wife? I see. Where's your brother and his wife?
Twin one.
Your brother? Where is he?
He's in Orpington, Kent.
In Kent?
Ji. He's been in Bangladesh last.
Right. And his wife is? Who is his wife?
She's from South America.
From South America?
Ghana.
South. I see. I was a bit confused about that. This is why I've asked you. So she is your wife, eh?